Welcome to Envalior presents Street Smarties campaign in association with ETAuto. For the third episode of this campaign, we are here in this vibrant city of Bengaluru where innovation meets tradition. We are right now here with these beautiful minds and let's explore how Envalior is making a difference in the lives of these youths.
Envalior along with ETAuto has decided to work on this road safety campaign, primarily focusing on pre-primary children. And this is the third city that we are running this campaign. We had it in Delhi, we had it in Gujarat, and now today we are in Bengaluru.
With over 150,000 road fatalities each year in India, education for road safety becomes crucial. Now, as part of Envalior's commitment to road safety, we are here in a government school in Bangalore. So let's see what the students are doing.
Very happy to see the energy level amongst the kids, because this is the right age where if kids are able to imbibe the rules and regulations of driving safely, following the road signals properly, I think India will soon become a country which will have very fewer accidents and it's more safer place to be on the road.
ನಾವು ರೋಡ್ನ ಜೀಬ್ರಾ ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ.
It has been an inspiring day in Bengaluru, witnessing Envalior's Street Smarties campaign in action. The engagement and enthusiasm of the students is truly a testament to the impact this program is making on ground.
Today I am talking about road safety. We should only go in zebra crossing. We should not go in the road. When the signal will stop, then only we should go in the road.
ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಿರೋದು ರೋಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಜೀಬ್ರಾ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೇನೆ ರೋಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೆಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ರೋಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Red says stop, yellow says wait, green says go.
Stay safe and join us as we cover more cities across India for further episodes.